The tire pressure is blinking, so let's see if we can fix this. I have purchased this TPMS tool, and let's see if we can program the sensors and fix the car. So I'm going to turn this back off, turn the tool on. I'm going to go to the advanced, select the car, and let's see if we could do a position relearn. And let's see if we could do that, ODB relearn. So clear the previous data. So it tells us a little bit of information, and want us to make sure the tire pressure, so that is all set. Alright, we got that. I'm going to go to the other side. This sensor is a lot faster. It's an older sensor. Please connect the OBD and turn the ignition on. Alright, so let's get the OBD. Okay. Alright, OBD for this car is someplace down here, right there. Okay, looks like it's in there. Alright, let's connect the sleds here. Make sure it's a pretty good connection here. Now it says turn the car on, or ignition on. Is it still blinking here? And it says Y to continue. Connecting with the vehicle. Time remaining 28 seconds. It's saying unlock Toyota, so everything is now flashing. writing sensor ID. Oh, the blinking has stopped. Write successful. Please proceed with the following steps until OBD relearn is successful. Alright, what do we have to do? Communicating with the vehicle, please wait. Reading sensor ID. Reading DTC. ODB relearn successful. Okay. Now I see that everything is green, which is good. The good sign is everything is green. There's a red around the light looking in the middle, and that is also cleared. It was red before. So that's it. This is a relearn of the new sensors, and now the light is off. And hopefully it would stay off because it's been turning on, and this new sensors is very, very slow, and is a genuine Toyota part. Okay, that's it. Subscribe for more.